Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the account details you already control: email, phone, or recovery codes. Once those are at hand, open the Roblox app or website and pick Login. This is the first actionable move. Make sure you're on a secure network and sign out of other devices to avoid session conflicts. If you use a password manager, copy the password precisely. Otherwise, prepare to reset it. These steps reduce delays and protect your account while you proceed. Next, you verify identity by selecting Forgot Password and entering the email or phone tied to the account, because Roblox needs to confirm ownership. Once done, check your inbox or messages for the reset link or code. Sometimes wait times vary, so refresh and check spam. Paste or type the code carefully, then create a strong new password. Use mixed characters and at least 12 symbols. Make sure to enable two-step authentication after resetting to prevent future lockouts. Finally, sign in with your updated credentials and confirm any verification emails, because that finalizes ownership restoration. Once inside, immediately enable two-factor authentication and update your contact info, saving backup codes in a safe place. If you encounter errors, like email not received or account locked, use the account recovery form or contact Roblox support with proof of ownership, such as transaction ID or past usernames. A key troubleshooting tip: clear cache or try a different browser. It often resolves session or cookie issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.